viewers, and this is about the latest film Border 2 that has been blocked by some Gulf countries. Bahrain, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia and the UAE, we have learnt, will not be releasing Border 2, the film that has hit the cinemas, and this movie is also going to face a ban, just like another super hit Bollywood film, Dhurandhar, faced the ban in the Gulf countries. That's the latest update that we are getting for you at this point in time. And the question really is that why have these Gulf countries decided to block Border 2? It's a film. And what is the reason really that has come from these countries? Is it a collective decision that has been taken? We will try and go across to my colleague Arunil, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Arunil, what is the reason that has been cited by these Gulf countries like Bahrain, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, Saudi and UAE that they've decided to also block the release of Border 2?
Well, that is right, Hina. Basically, this was on the expected lines after we saw how Dhurandhar, a smashing hit worldwide in Indian markets as well, was banned in these six Gulf countries that you named right now. Border 2 also not being released in these six Gulf countries. Predominantly, the reason that has been given is primarily that it has anti-Pakistan content. So several of these films that are based on India-Pakistan relationship have been showing in Pakistan in a negative light. According to these countries, they have been not releasing the film. This film, directed by Anurag Singh, is based on the 1971 India-Pakistan war. It's been led by actor Sunny Deol, Varun Dhawan, Ahan Shetty, as well as Daljit Dosanjh. It has opened really well in Indian markets. The producer that also includes the maker of the first border film, JP Datta, has been expecting humongous basically collections in India, worldwide as well. But they were expecting that the film will not be released in these six countries in the Gulf because the same fate Dhurandhar also had to face.
So perhaps we can say that it's a perception that these Gulf countries have that it is an anti-Pakistan film, and that's the reason why collectively they've decided to not release it, just like they decided to not release Dhurandhar. Thank you very much, Arunil, for the moment, for joining us.